In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits in Binance. Before we begin, it's helpful to clarify one important point. On Binance, there usually isn't a universal product simply called credits. In most cases, what people mean is buying cryptocurrency using their local currency. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to the Binance platform, sign in, and purchase a crypto token such as USDT in a simple and straightforward way. First, open your browser and search for Binance. This is the easiest way to get started if you're not already on the website. When you search, take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct official Binance link. That's important because with financial platforms, you always want to be cautious and avoid unofficial or misleading websites. Once you're on the correct Binance website, go ahead and sign into your account. If Binance asks for verification steps, such as a code or security confirmation, complete those prompts so you can safely access your account. Make sure you're using your own secure device and a trusted internet connection while logging in. After you're signed in, look at the top menu and click on Buy Crypto. This is the main area where Binance lets you purchase cryptocurrency directly using fiat currency, which means regular government-issued money like USD or EUR. Clicking this option will take you to the purchase interface. Next, select your local fiat currency. For example, you might choose USD, EUR, or whichever option applies in your region. Then choose the crypto token you want to purchase, such as USDT. This step is important because Binance needs to know both what currency you're paying with and what digital asset you want to receive. After that, choose your payment method and add the required details if needed. Depending on your location, Binance may offer options such as a bank card, bank transfer, or other supported payment services. Be sure to review the payment information carefully before moving on, especially the amount, the selected currency, and the token you're buying. Finally, click Buy and follow the prompts on the screen to complete the transaction. Binance may show you a confirmation page with the exchange rate, fees, and total amount before you finalize the purchase. Read through that information carefully, then confirm only when everything looks correct. Once the order is complete, the crypto you purchased should appear in your Binance wallet. And that's it. You've successfully used Binance to buy crypto, which is often what people mean when they refer to buying credits on the platform.